make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. For this one we're using metal posts. We've welded these ones together. You can also bend them if you've got the tools or materials or just the brute strength. For us it was easiest to get the welder in, have him fix up these pieces here. One of the most important things is going to be having a really strong foundation. We've connected them at the base. They'll keep the whole thing nice and tight. We've got the 3 tyres also adding support. Getting that depth in your support post is really important. You can use a rough rule of thumb is about 20% of the height should be in the ground, so that'll give you a really strong foundation. Using local know-how is a really great way. So for our one, we've got a bit of 4x4 tube, just welded a little bit of plate on the top to act as the connecting piece. You can use what you want for these ones on the Playground Ideas designs. We've also got conical shape, which you can also use, but find out what's going to work best for you. With the truck tyres that you're going to be using for this 4-pole rocket ship, you want to make sure that they're all identical in size, in the width of the tyres, because obviously these posts are going to be the same width the whole way up and down vertically. But then you want to cut out one of the side walls of those truck tyres, and that'll be facing on the underside. This is so kids can't get their fingers caught in there and get them stomped down on. It's a bit safer that way, and then the water can flow out much easier as well. When you're filling in your concrete, you want to have a nice strong foundation. So you want to pour your cement first, then pop your rocket ship in there and fill it up with cement again. So you've got a lot of support. It's going to hold it really nice and sturdy. To make your rocket ship supports nice and strong on the weld, you can hollow out some of those metal pieces and that'll just give you a nice strong connection like we got here. We decided to put 2 of these 4-pole rocket ships in, so 8-pole rocket, and we've made it into one big piece. These pieces are often used to connect different pieces, so in between our 2 4-pole rocket ships, we've got a bridge treadie from the Playground Ideas website as well. So these are connecting, and we've got a little tyre climber thing there as well. When we're drilling these holes for the truck tyres, we're going to drill through the metal pieces first, and then using those holes as a reference point, pop the truck tyre inside, mark those ones out, take your tyre out and drill those holes through. And connect all those together with all the bolts. Make sure you've got those nice wide washers again. Once they're in, give them a good hard bang, make sure they're nice and flat. All of these designs from the Playground Ideas website, you can find the instructions on there. Download them and go through. They'll tell you exactly how to build it step by step, piece by piece. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.